Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy S24 again, following up on some of the charging issues I've had, and I've been getting a lot of comments on that video where people are having the same issue. Their phone just isn't charging as fast as they think it should be. They'll plug in a Fast Charge 2.0 capable charger and cable, and it says it's charging at Fast Charge 2.0 speeds, but it significantly slows down rather quickly. And I've tested this in multiple different scenarios. Some people are telling me that it really doesn't charge at 45 watts past 30%. Some people say 50%, but I tested this after running my phone all the way down under 10%, and within about 3 to 5% of charging at 45 watts, it's already backed down to about 35 watts. And then by about 30 to 40%, it's back down even more to about 30 watts. And sometimes even if you're using the phone, even under 50%, it will back down as far as like 10 to 15 watts and really significantly slow down. So this seems to be a widespread issue that Samsung really needs to address. I don't know if it's something or not they can fix in a software update, but it does appear to be a common issue. And the fact that they claim that this phone can charge, with super fast 2.0 45 watt speeds just is very inaccurate, because the phone does not charge any meaningful amount of time at those speeds. I have other devices, even power banks, that can charge at 170 watts from 0% till full without having to slow down, without getting hot, all that kind of stuff. Yet this will tell you it has about an hour remaining to charge when you plug into a Fast Charge 2.0 charger, and it will say an hour for an extended period of time, because when it's charging at 45 watts, it's going to take about an hour, and then once it bumps down to about 30 watts, you're looking about 40 to 50%, and you still have 40 to 50 minutes left of charging. And that's something that other people are saying too, is that the time is really inaccurate, because it'll tell you an hour when you start charging, but then charging slows down so much that that time doesn't really change, and it still takes an hour and a half to charge your phone when the phone initially told you between 50 minutes and an hour. So something really annoying that I hope Samsung addresses. I am on the current March update as of this video, and it is March 8th right now, Friday morning, and this issue is still occurring. We've had two updates so far, and nothing has been changed. So that's something really annoying, and I will show you guys real quick here. If we hop over into the battery settings and we go to charging settings, you can see that I am enabled with all the fast charging and all that kind of stuff right there. And like I said, I am using a charger that is capable of Fast Charge 2.0, as well as an anchor cable that is capable of Fast Charge 2.0. It's actually capable of 250 watts. So should not be an issue whatsoever charging this phone at 45 watts, at least up until 70 or 80%. But it really only lasts 3 to 5 to 10% before it's already backing it down at the charging speed. So Samsung really needs to address this issue. Again, if you're having this issue, comment down below and let me know what yours is like. And I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day. The light is tripping out.